G'day, it's Rob here again. Well, I've been doing a bit of metal melting, just making up some round stock, using up some of the old dregs laying around the place, and I've been melting brass. You can see the inside of the crucible looks pretty shitty, and I want to clean that out now. And I mean, you can sort of scrape around in there, but bonds on pretty well, but it will come off. And this is where I use my needle descaler, an air needle descaler. These things are great, not that expensive really. I've had this for a long time. There's actually an air chisel with this adapter on the end that is the needle head. So I'll show you how it works. It's a bit noisy, but so are most air tools. Well, there it is. It turned out pretty clean. Got 99% of it out without much effort. So yeah, these are handy little gadgets. Excellent. All right, that's it for me. See you next time.